This is not impossible. This Chennai weather suddenly it's suddenly on raining and one of Mars. Oh my God! Whoa, 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 guys! Oh, whoa! Sounds. Oh, this so hurt. This is too much. This is too much, guys. This never happens in the year of the past year. This is unbelievable. It's happening in Chennai. Oh my God! Oh, it's raining. This falling down the ice. Ice fall down in Chennai. Oh my God! It's never happened. Oh my God! I heard before that in Mizoram what's happening and the northeast. The day before yesterday, what's happening in northeast that suddenly this happened in Chennai. This is the first time I was living in Chennai 10 years above, but this never happens. The ice fall down in Chennai. Guys, have a look. Oh, I can't see. I can't show you that the ice. Guys, this is ice fall down. You can't believe this. Unbelievable. Oh my God. Ice fall down in Chennai. It's the first time I heard. And I know that. Never seen before. Where are the eyes? I can see the eyes. It's hitting me. Oh my God. This is, oh my God, this is not acceptable in Chennai. No idea what will happen. Oh my God, this is Chennai Village near Phoenix Mall. That is Phoenix Mall. I live nearby. And never rain in the past year, in the month of February, in the month of March. This is the first time I know that if I'm not wrong. Wow, like you can see little if it is clear that ice falling. Oh, sounds him. Oh my God, see, just in few minutes, full of water on the way, on the road. So guys, my room veranda, all are full of water. It never happened like this before. Yara. Oye, பாருங்க full தண்ணி இங்கே தண்ணி போயிடுச்சு அப்புறம் இதில் full தண்ணி வந்துச்சு flying slipper. Yaraka, it's almost gone inside my room. I need to do something this. What Yara. Let's make a hole here. Oh, and see here outside it's still raining. It's full of water. Oh, my mobile is not waterproof. Here also is going kuntang go rain go away. What to do, guys? Need to go for a walk.
What the hell? Chennai situation currently. Still raining. We need to go for a walk like this. Uy, Mayla, Mayla.